Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll explore the last bill within due date feature. This feature lets you choose how the system reacts when a customer's previous bill is still within the due date. So let's get started. Head to the sales voucher configuration. Select the relevant billing series. Here you will find the option labeled as last bill within due date, which has several parameters. Let's explore the functionality of each parameter one by one. The first parameter, no action, means whether the bill is paid or pending, the system takes no further action and allows the billing process to continue seamlessly. The second parameter, prompt, indicates when the due date is defined for a party and the payment has already been received. During the next billing for the same customer, the software will display a prompt message. Let's observe the functionality of this option. Before proceeding to the billing process, go to the Setup Accounts. Click on Other Details, and under Payment Terms, you will notice that the due days have already been defined for the selected party. Upon selecting the party, the software displays a prompt message providing details of the previous bill payment, including the bill date, due date, and receipt date. Moving on to the third parameter, prompt bill number for special discount. This feature alerts the operator when creating a bill for a customer and applying a special discount. The system prompts the operator to enter the previous bill number before proceeding. If the previous bill remains unpaid, the software will notify the operator. Let's observe its working. Let's begin with transacting an item. Now go to Other Details and apply a special discount to the bill. The software prompts to enter the last bill number for the selected party. After entering the last bill number, an error message is triggered, indicating that the special discount cannot be applied as the last bill was not cleared within the due date. This feature helps to identify that the customer's previous bill is pending. Now it depends upon operator whether he give discount to the new bill or not.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.